Hello Maring, kamusta kayo dyan? Nandito na naman kami sa petting zoo. Happy New Year para sa lahat. Kamusta ang New Year ninyo? Ang New Year namin ay sobrang mingaw. That's MU baby girl. Natulog lang kami sa New Year. Today is ngayon? January 2. Natulog lang kami sa New Year Maring. Kaya ayan, whole holiday season lang kami sa bahay. So finally ay nakalabas kami sa lungga at nandito kami sa munting safari nila dito na malapit sa amin, 10 minutes drive. May maliit na parang safari zoo dito. So nandito naman kami, pakain tayo ng alpaca ba yan or lama. So ayun, marami sila dito, may mga malalaking pato dyan. Tingnan nyo naman. Hala, ang lama nandoon, oh. Doon siya. Yan. May lama doon. Ay, alpaca yata. Saan bang? I think that's alpaca. Tapos ito ang lama. May MU din doon. Natutulog si MU. Yan siya. Palayo tayo. Baka maano. May playground sila. Walang tao maring. Kami lang dito. Yung yung carousel, magbabayad ka ng $5, tapos ditong playground free. Pero syempre may entrance dito, $5 per person. So okay na siya pang lang, para may malibang lang yung mga bata. Lily. Oh. Yeah, throw it there. Ang daming mga kalapati. Marami pa silang animals nandoon. Yun ang mga baka. May zebra sila, may baka na ang laki ng sungay, yung watusi bang tawag dyan. Parang Texas Longhorn na mga baka. Pero kailangan ka magbayad ng $10 para sakay ka ng bus nila. Parang safari bus. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga pato doon. Langoy-langoy ang mga pato. Ang daming kambing maring. Yan. Isa dito kambing. Hi! Ang laki ng mga kambing nila. Tingnan nyo. Yung malaking kambing doon. Billy goat. Meh. Yun o. Ang laki. So, dito lang kami sa mga bata. Close sila 4 PM. So, wala naman kaming gagawin sa bahay. So, dito na lang kami makalabas dito sa nature. Nakikipaglaro yung mga bata. Hansik!
I
got you.
Mom, can you cut the 20?
Oh, fix your shoes.
Fine.
Fix your shoes.
Can you cut the 20 now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Oh my God. Oh, they go down. Where are they? Where are the girls? I got you.
Mom just
What?
pushed me off the slide.
Don't push her, Raleigh. Oh my God. I'll just stay here. Tingnan nyo maring. Oh, walang tao maring. Yung mga kambing.
Can you cut the 30? I was not the best hiding.
Oh, look at the goat.
No!
May isa dito. Medyo aggressive tong isa na to. Snob. Take picture. Hello.
Mama!
Manutura ba daw na sila, babe? Look at the baby goat. My baby na goat. La. Sleepy si madam. May isa pa doon. Ang ganda ng mga pato nila. Mga kulay ng pato. Diyan din ay na yan siya maring. Interstate. Yang dyan. Interstate na yan siya papuntang Atlanta. So malapit lang talaga siya sa highway. Busy itong isa, oh. So dito tayo maning kain tayo. May dala kaming snack. Tsaka nagdala ako ng tubig. Buti na lang allowed din na yung snack. Upo tayo dito. Ito yung dala namin Maring. Yung mga bata, Nutella sandwich, yung drink, tsaka snack, cookies. Yan. At tubig. Dumadami na yung tao Maring, may mga dumadating. Maganda sana kung kami lang. Dito na sila. Yung bag ng pagkain ng mga animals, $1 per bag, konti lang. Pet the goat.
I just wanted to pet it.
Go pet it. Then don't put your head on their mouth. Come here, Lily.
I saw her.
Right. Oh, wow.
And this is the third trick.
Okay.
I think. Okay. Mommy, look.
See. Hello. Look at the duck, Lily. It's floating. Wow. They're big.
Scared me.
They're big ducks.
I can see their feet. That's how they
More
swim.
duck over there.
There's a bridge. Yeah. There you go. Ew.
The goat saying hi.
Do you want to play hide and seek? Yeah. Okay, you're the seeker. I'm the hider. Count to 30.
Marami ng tao, mga Maring. Nagdadatingan sila.
Count to 30.
Yung mga yung baka pupunta sa tubig. Inom siya ng tubig. Eat your food. Alisa na yung mga tao Maring. Kami na naman ang natira. Mas maganda yung kami lang. What do you want? S'mores? You want cheese balls?
Can I have s'mores?
Wait, make sure you trash. Riley, that bag you put in the trash can.
Can you
Okay?
help me open this?
Chocolate.
S'mores.
Wala masyadong tao Maring kasi weekday. Today is Thursday. So, that's why wala masyadong tao. Umalis na sila. Maganda kasi kami lang. Greedy lang tayo ngayon. Mas maganda naman kasi pag wala masyadong tao. Pero pag weekend, maraming dito, bata. Sila ba, mga parents, sinadala yung mga bata dito. Wala namang unlimited time naman, pwede ka naman magstay dito hanggang gusto mo. So today, yung close nila ay hanggang dumilim. Normally it's 4 PM pero hanggang dumilim. So didilim dito mga 5 PM. So na-extend siguro sila. Ang tawag dito ay Wild Georgia Safari Park. Kung dito kayo nakatira sa Georgia, ito Wild Georgia Safari Park. Maliit lang siya na parang zoo, maliit na zoo. Mga lang, common animals yung nandito. May baka, zebra, may monkey sila. What ba? Ganda dito magtambay. Kaysa magtambay sa bahay. Nandito tayo sa nature. Labas naman tayo paminsan-minsan. Buti na lang din yung entrance, hindi naman masyadong mahal. So, okay lang. Kaya lang. Kaya sa bulsa. 2025 na. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon, no? Ang daming mga pangyayari ng past years. Pero parang fresh pa rin, no? Fresh pa rin yung mga... Yung alam mong, parang nasa ka
When
pa
it
rin.
was summer, it was so much better.
Parang 2019 pa rin.
When it was summer and we went here, it was so much better because there was a lot of kids.
Well, there's a lot of kids.
Yeah, it's
Summer.
summer.
Marami dito bumibisita pag summer. Yung mga travelers, nag-stop by sila. Uso talaga dito yung mga petting zoo dito, Maring. Mga park sa pambata. Yan yung bus nila. Kakabalik lang. Konti lang yung sakay. Tapos na siguro sila mag-tour sa loob. Diyan kasi yan. O sa loob, Maring. May gate dyan. Pero hindi ka makakapasok hindi ka makakalapit sa mga animals. Nasa bus ka lang talaga. Tapos tingin ka lang. May camel din pala sila. Pwede mong ma-feed, magpakain ng camel. Pero nasa bus ka lang. Aabutin mo lang yung camel. Yung asawa ko nasa trabaho, kakaalis lang niya. So before siya umalis, ay binigyan kami ng pera para makapunta dito. Makalabas minsan sa lungga. There.
Is
It's a
that snapping
tortoise.
turtle? Are they
No. It's so
They wake
big.
They wake up. How do they know if it's...
So big.
No, how do you know if it's a snappy turtle?
Because it has sharp beak. Oh, look, it went back to sleep.
Get her. Hello.
We're not allowed to get inside.
I wish.
This is the tortoise house.
I wish.
Yeah, I wish. That's huge. There's another one there.
I can see the orange.
Let's go this way. Come here.
Okay.
Ooh, stink.
It smells like Charlie's fart.
I know. Ang baho mo rin. Hello. Hello. That's not a snapping turtle, babe girl. Oh, there's one here. It's 3 of them. You.
Where?
Look at that. Right there. The turtle. Tortoise.
I'll help you.
You see it, Lily? May dito, MU. Is this an ostrich or MU? It's an MU.
It smells like Charlie's poo. I made Charlie's fart.
The MU is alone. That's not an ostrich. Hello.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Ostrich.
No, that's an MUB.
How do you
You'll
know?
know because it's brown. Look at the hair.
How do you know if
Woo!
it's
The mouth opened.
how do you know if it's an
The
ostrich?
goat is coming. It's taller than the MU. I don't know. Maybe. That's probably where the
frogs?
goats eat.
Are there frogs?
I don't know. There's no frog.
Don't move my feet. Don't
Yeah.
move my feet.
They're coming, Lily.
This one with the horn.
Yeah, big horn.
Ah!
Saying hi to you.
They might escape, Mommy. Stop.
They're not
Mommy,
gonna
come
escape.
here. They might escape.
No, they won't.
They
That's
might-
probably from the rain. It's because of the rain. Don't do that. Oh, this part here is closed.
Are there-
Oh, they got honeybees. Honeybees at work. They
Mommy,
can
are
sting
there-
to defend their
Mommy, are there
hive.
pigs or frogs?
May mga birds dito noon.
Mommy, are there pigs? Look, Mommy, where's the bees?
Well, they close it. This is open before. Keep gate closed. May mga birds dyan sa loob, Maring. I don't think we can get inside. Ah, may ano pala dito sa likod, oh.
Oh,
Very nice here. And there's roses. Pwede rin pala tayo dito sa likod. Kung gusto mong tumago.
There's chicken there.
There's yeah, chickens and bird inside, but they close it.
No, right here. This is open. See, it says enter here.
Hmm?
It says
You sure?
Yeah, no.
Oh, just close the door. Go, get in. You can get in here. Ooh,
What's that?
ang baho. Siguro they close it because it's winter B.
Where's that coming
Meron silang ano oh, heater. Yung lamp. Heating lamp. What's in there?
that? Ma, see a parrot.
It's a
Parrot.
African gray
Come here.
bird.
Wow. African gray bird.
And that's porcupine. Oh, there's porcupine inside. They don't have this before. Now they have porcupine. How
Can
much
I
is
see
this?
it? What is it? The porcupine.
I don't know what that is. It's somewhere there. And parakeets.
Oh, so cute.
Mm. May mga warmers yung ano bird kasi maginaw sa labas
Are
no
those
winter.
parrots?
Kaya pala nakasarado siya. And here is, what is this here?
Can I see?
Oh, it's alone. Looks like a kangaroo.
Where?
It's alone inside.
Where?
It is a kangaroo, baby kangaroo.
They have a kangaroo.
They don't have that before. Now they have it.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks sad and alone.
And where's
I
the
wanna
fish?
go out. Don't go there near the door. Gonna get out. The kangaroo will boxing us.
Let's get out now. Let's get out.
The kangaroo looks alone. Okay, let's go. Stop! Don't run. We didn't see the porcupine. I think it's hiding. Okay, go.
Mommy, go.
No, stink here, stink.
I was really scared. Oh my God.
Ang ganda ng playground dito, Maring. Oh. Mahilig talaga yung mga Amerikano na ano, mga playground pambata. Kahit yung mga bahay nila, may mga playground sa likod ng yard nila. Nung bata pa ako, hindi ko na-experience ang playground. So, at least na-experience ng mga anak ko yung ganito. Tsaka yung mga ganyan, magpakain ng mga animals na lama. Mahilig sila dito. Yung na-observe ko, marami ditong petting zoo. Mahilig talaga sila sa mga ganyan. Kasi sa atin, yung goat, normal lang naman yan. May kambing man tayo sa bahay. Normal lang naman yan. Pero dito parang yung mga Amerikano na amaze sila baka kung pagkain ng manok, ng baboy, ng goat. Na-amaze talaga sila. Pero normal lang naman to sa atin. Ganda no? Ang tahimik, Maring. Parang ano talaga siya. Oh. Siguro kung may bahay ka tapos malaking property, ganito yung ano mo view everyday. Ganda siguro. Ayan. Maluwag talaga siya na area. We are done there, Maring. So ngayon pupunta naman kami sa shed. Magbabayad kami ng renta ng shed namin. So nasa kabilang banda. The same city lang pero nasa ano kabilang banda. So mag-drive tayo ng ano mga 20 minutes. Yung monthly payment ng shed ay $55. Ang mahal. Meron kasi mga gamit doon sa ano ba, shed. So wala kaming extra shed sa backyard kaya mapipilitan talaga kaming magbayad ng $55 a month. Magpapagas muna ako mga maring dahil nasa 100 miles na yung aking gas. Hindi ko na talaga yan pinapababa para sure na hindi tayo maubusan kasi balik eskwela na yung mga bata bukas Friday talaga. Hindi na pinalunis, Friday talaga yung start ng ano nila. Dito tayo magpapagas sa Parkers, ang tawag dito Parkers na ano, convenience. Kasi kapag pupunta ako ng Walmart, medyo malayo. Dito na lang ako sa ano, malapit. Although yung Walmart na gasolinahan nila ay mura lang talaga. Dito yung gasolinahan nila 2.89 per gallon. What tayo dito? Wow. May ano, Tesla Cybertruck. Ang sasakyan ng Tesla nag-charge. Charge sila dyan. Gusto nyo ba ng Tesla na sasakyan ng Marie? Dahil parang hindi ko siya bet. Or wala lang talaga akong pera. So ayan, pasok tayo doon sa Parkers.
Yes! I'm gonna get Coke.
Which one you want? I'm gonna get Coke.
I
Hold
want
this.
your Mountain Dew.
Hold it.
I want your Mountain Dew.
Get a Mountain Dew. Which one you want, Rabbit? Hmm?
I want Mountain Dew.
Hurry up, because we gotta go. Pepsi. Just get Coke or Sprite. Go. 20 pump one.
20 on pump one? You said 20 on one?
20.
My name is Candy Cole. I'm at Parker Store 49.
29.12. You need a bag?
Yes. Bayad muna ako ng Shed Marine. Tapos na ako magpagas. Just wait here. I'll be back.
Yours smells like balloon.
Here
We
for-
wanted to put down our window because we were short.
Pauwi na kami mga maring dahil gutom na, kakain na kami. Magsasaing pa ng ano, kanin kasi hindi ako nakapagluto in advance.
Like
Hindi
this.
ako nakapagluto ng ano, rice.
Get up, bus.
May leftover na salmon kahapon. So, yun ang aming ulam mga maring. Uwi na tayo, yung Dollar Tree nandyan. Ayoko muna pumunta ng Dollar Tree kasi para hindi ako gumastos ng pera. Mag New Year's resolution muna tayo na hindi tayo gagastos ng pera. Ito na ang New Year's resolution mga maring, na kung ano ang pakay ng punta ay yun lang talaga yung gagawin natin at hindi na tayo mag-shopping ng extra. Tignan natin kung hanggang saan natin kaya ito. Ngayon ay January 2. So kahapon January 1. So ngayon busy ang mga daan. Daming sasakyan kasi baka yung mga nagbakasyon ay pabalik na. Balik trabaho na rin. Back to reality mga maring. Kain tayo maring. Meron ako dito salmon, tsaka yung suka at toyo na may sibuyas. Ang sarap ng suka niyan kasi ito yung gamit ko. Yung may lamas na ano. Tsaka mais. Yan. Pinainit ko pa yung mais. Na mais. Sweet corn. At yung mga bata naman, mahilig sila sa salmon. Hindi yan kumakain sila ng karne. Bihira talaga yan sila kumakain ng karne at saka isda. Pero pag salmon talaga ay Kinakain talaga niyan. Ubos talaga yan mga maring.
More skin.
More skin.
Yeah.
Ito naman siya, mahilig siyang kumain ng balat ng salmon. Ayan. Kain talaga yan siya, pati pork belly. Pero yung pinaka-paborito nila na pagkain ay bacon. Yan, at saka ang salmon. Ang sarap ng sibuyas. Suka, toyo, sibuyas, at saka isda. Sarap sana kung may kamatis. Wala kaming kamatis.